How to edit a bookmark folder on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit a bookmark folder on Opera Mini. First thing you're gonna do is go to Opera Mini and then click this one, this Opera here, Opera icon, and now click Bookmarks, and then just select any folder you want like this one and hold on it, and then click here, this pen, and now you can change uh, change anything you want, like name or anything. And click here, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.